Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to perform MRI of the CA Pelvis, also known as Cervical Cancer MRI. This MRI is an essential imaging procedure for determining the exact stage and local spread of cervical cancer. Let's begin with patient preparation. The urinary bladder should be moderately filled, and the rectum should be empty. This helps produce clear images and better visualization of pelvic anatomy. The patient is positioned in the supine position, head first. A pelvic phased array coil is used, which provides high-quality signal and detailed coverage of the entire pelvic region. Next, a localizer scan is taken in 3 planes: axial, sagittal, and coronal. These help to properly plan and align the main imaging sequences. Now let's move to the main MRI sequences. 1. T2-weighted sagittal view shows the uterus, cervix, and vagina clearly. 2. Axial oblique T2-weighted view obtained perpendicular to the cervical canal to evaluate tumor depth and parametrial invasion. 3. Coronal oblique T2-weighted view is useful for assessing the lateral or sideward extension of the tumor. Then acquire an axial T1-weighted sequence, which provides anatomical details and tissue differentiation. After that, perform a post-contrast T1-weighted or dynamic study to evaluate tumor enhancement, residual disease, or recurrence. Diffusion-weighted imaging, or DWI, is also very effective for detecting small lesions and lymph node involvement. After completing the scan, carefully review all images, assess tumor size, extent, parametrial and vaginal invasion, and any pelvic lymph nodes. MRI findings help the clinician in accurate staging, treatment planning, and follow-up of cervical cancer patients. Thank you for watching. For more medical MRI tutorials, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.